po lahat ng... Yeah, we're going in the Twin Lake. So the kayaking started in their area. We're done kayaking and John is launched the drone to see the place, to video the Twin Lake here in El Nido, Palawan. And we done for kayaking, and we started kayaking in that area, and then you turn around, you go to the canal, and then we go back because we're flying the drone. The drone is in there, and John is here. Why? Will you put it back? Ayun o! Ayun yung mga isda o, sinisisid nila. Snorkeling time. So everybody's snorkeling. Hey babe!
Try nyo na po yung night guys.
Oo.
Kailan kayo?
Ang gabi, Diyos ko po. Super excited talaga sa ano.
Wala kami interest pumunta sa guest. Dali magpalutang.
Hi! Langoy prank. Pati na po yun. Ang daming fish dyan kanina, nagkumpul-kumpul.
Ay, baka nagkakain sila.
Oo nga, baka nagbigay ng food.